Hi. If your Beyerdynamic DT series headphones also have a problem with the ear cup housing holder, the plastic pin is missing or damaged, don't worry, you don't have to buy new headphones. But simply replace the ear cup fixing part, or also known as ribbon support kit. I have a few of these parts left. If you have this problem, feel free to post on TechScrew Facebook or Instagram. The links are in the video description. I can send them to you for a fee. It's very easy to replace these ribbon support parts. Just use a T6 torx screwdriver to remove the screw from the damaged plastic part. Take the new replacement part and put it on the metal ear cup holder. Attach the plastic part with the screw you removed earlier and you've fixed your headphones. It really was that easy. These Beyerdynamic DT series headphones are so popular that I have a video of how to make a detachable cable mod for them, as well as a video of how to replace the old ear pad cushion, and a video on how to repair the headphones if the speaker driver is damaged. If all this was useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, so we can meet in other useful videos.